everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Aishita and I post videos every other day on topics like skincare, hair care, weight loss, DIYs and also song covers, dance covers, entertainment. So you definitely want to subscribe to my channel and also click that bell button if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. So today's video is all to that sensitive skin types who are getting acne due to hair habits or bad hair habits, I would say. So before going into this video, let's just know how is this acne actually caused. So acne is mainly caused due to clogged pores because of excessive oil or even using products containing high oils like pomades. So all these products or chemicals when comes onto your skin is when your skin gets triggered to acne. In the areas like forehead or even near your hairline or back of your neck, you are getting or seeing acne. That is mainly due to bad hair problems. So let's just directly dive into the video how to avoid this acne. So firstly, let's just start with don'ts. So the first don't is letting your oil remain on your scalp for more than 4 or 6 hours. This is a big no because that oil will eventually come onto your skin and you will get a pimple instantly. So this is a big no. Okay, so the second habit is using leave-in conditioners or even any other chemicals which are supposed to be left onto your scalp for longer time, because every chemical or every product will have oil or oil content, to nourish your hair. So that oil will eventually come onto your skin. So avoid using such chemicals. So the next habit is avoiding shampoo for more than 2 or 3 days in a week. This is also a bad hair habit because some people will be having dandruff issues. So if that dandruff reaches anywhere near your skin, you will be getting pimple or acne instantly. So please don't do that. The next bad habit is not changing your pillow covers or even bed sheets and also using unwashed hairbands or even hats. This will also lead to acne if you are having sensitive skin. Okay, enough of don'ts. Let's just see all the solutions or do's to avoid acne. Okay, so the first one is related to oiling. As I mentioned before, you should not be putting your oil or leaving your oil onto your scalp for more than 4 to 6 hours. So, for those people who are having a habit of leaving your oil for like overnight or even more than 24 hours, I have a solution for you. So you can use Johnson's Baby Hair Oil, which is very thin when it comes to consistency and also contains oils like avocado and olive oil, which is very good to your skin. So there are some people whose skin gets triggered to even oils like Johnson's Baby Hair Oil. So for them, you can use hair nets before going to sleep. This will restrict the oil which is coming onto your skin while sleeping. So the third tip is about what oils to use when you're having acne prone skin. Oils like hemp seed oil, safflower oil, argan oil and also neem oil will give you good results and also prevent acne. Usage of essential oils such as jojoba oil and also tea tree oil will help you fight acne when mixed with carrier oils, and remember to use 1 or 2 carrier oils at a time. If you use more than this, the individual potency of each oil will be decreased and you will not be getting efficient results. So the next do is obviously changing your pillow covers or even bed sheets every time you shampoo your hair. This is very much important. If you habituate this tip, you will be seeing great results in your skin. So the next tip is obviously washing off all the chemicals from your scalp. You do not want to put any of the chemicals onto your scalp. Chemicals such as shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, dry shampoo, all this should be washed off thoroughly. The next is obviously shampooing your hair for 2 or 3 times per week, and this is very much important because you do not want to leave your scalp with all that oil and dirt which will eventually trigger your skin. The next tip is oiling your hair or leaving oil onto your scalp for 4 hours. Just try to avoid putting oil overnight and sleeping. This will lead to acne. This is the main cause for acne. So try to get up early and put oil and then go for a hair bath. So if you don't have time for this, you can always let your oil remain on your scalp for 30 to 60 minutes and then go for shampooing. This is also good. So as I mentioned before, you will be shampooing your hair 2 or 3 times, at least 2 or 3 times per week. This will definitely dry your hair. So as you can't use conditioners, you can use conditioners, but you can't leave your conditioners onto your hair. So your hair will be definitely lacking of that moisture and nourishment. So what you can do is you can always go for natural hair mask like curd and honey. Yet again, this is a great mask. I do this all the time, not all the time but 2 times a month. So the next tip is putting Vaseline onto your hairline. This will also restrict the air which is coming onto your face and will give you that glass finished look. So those were all the do's and don'ts for acne prone skin regarding hair habits. If it did help you, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until then, take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.